Kagaro Students Union haringkat ki khana skul bagi khana Samla Pule jong ki college ki badon hapo rilum garu menta kasingi ka khanda tri ujaliu kila penlong ya kajingi ya rali kum kadak ban persya ya garu kompentrekam ka batma jong ka sarkar jala ka bala tip kum ka admission policy kani rali gade ka bala pelong da Kagaro Students Union ban persya ai jing temu ka sarkar ka bala pensange kan san ya kajing admission hapo ki artali ki college jong ka sarkar hapo bakmara bat William Nagara ki Samla Pule ki badang sudah pas ya ka examen jong ka class 10 ha kani kajing alang Kinoilam ke GSU ke badan hapo ke jinglam jong Presiden Bashipur jong ke GSU CEC Ziko BN marang kila dawa na ka sarkar jala bakadiban alat biang ki Samla Pule jong ka than rilom garu bakin tap admission hagiti arli ki college nakaling kinoilam ke GSU kila kan tho bakani ke tang kabut jong ka sarkar ban penbore ki Samla Pule bakin let Pule haki private college
Regen cuma nak cing warang ko aganim na ancang digalan angara manas ko mangba manjana singa iyan nakpa polisi ko dalo ancang sagrongnya endi de iya polisi era student rangko burung cinari ang nagata bas lai rangko di nagata kampel kajoma ang ini kan ide na memang cang kampel kagen
안팀 도전 지나는 분들 안팀이 있고 안팀이 다 이상호 동거방으로 막아 들려보는 거나 노망이 있고 안팀어 AAYF 노망이 바 들려보는 레바
because you see the situation in Kagaro is very worse situation. We have effective militancy problem. We are fighting the militancy problem. If the admission is denied, indirectly we are encouraging the militancy in Kagaro. The reason is that we won't accept that the policy the government of Meghalaya is making because our place is very different. Our interest is very different. We can't accept that they are making the policy on an air-conditioned room. They don't know. They don't visit the Kagaro Hills, and they don't know the infrastructure of Kagaro Hills. How can they make the policy without the consent of the students of Kagaro Hills? So we can't accept that. That's why we demand the government of Meghalaya please accept our demands and make the infrastructure of make the infrastructure develop the Kagaro Hills, and please visit the Kagaro Hills and see the situations how our students is suffering. This is our demands. We demand to come to the Kagaro Hills, especially the education minister.